Toyota built its empire on the legendary reliability of the V8, but the new twin-turbo V6 era has started with a catastrophic forensic failure. Look at this microscopic debris. These are fragments of the main bearings from a low-mileage engine. This isn't just a first-year glitch, it's a fundamental engineering crisis. Today, we perform a forensic audit on why the world's most reliable brand is currently replacing thousands of complete engines under warranty. The evidence comes directly from National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) filings and internal technical service bulletins. Forensic teardowns by independent master technicians have confirmed that manufacturing debris and oil flow restrictions are leading to premature bearing seizure. When the main bearing fails, the engine doesn't just stop, it self-destructs from the inside out. To understand why this $20,000 engine is failing before its first major service, we must analyze 8 critical engineering failure points. Ignoring these signs is a one-way ticket to a total vehicle loss. Let's dive into the forensic data. Point 1. Main bearing seizure. Modern high-torque turbos put immense pressure on the crankshaft. Forensic analysis shows the bearing material cannot withstand the load under certain conditions. Point 2. Manufacturing debris. Evidence suggests that microscopic machining metal was left inside the engine blocks during the casting process, acting like liquid sandpaper in the oil galleries. Point 3. Oil pump flow restriction. A tiny blockage in the oil pickup tube stars the most distant bearings first. Point 4. Turbocharger heat soak. These twin turbos sit in a hot V configuration. Without perfect lubrication, the heat degrades the oil before it even reaches the critical engine components. Point 5. Fin oil specs. To meet Tier 1 emissions, Toyota uses 0W20 oil. In a high-stress twin-turbo environment, this oil film is dangerously thin. Point 6. Stop-start system stress. Frequent engine restarts mean the bearings are often dry starting without full oil pressure. Point 7. Long oil intervals. Following the 10,000-mile manual in this specific engine is an absolute death sentence. Point 8. The financial fallout. An out-of-warranty engine replacement for this V6 starts at $22,000. It is the single largest financial risk in the used car market today. The math is chilling. A preventive oil analysis every 3,000 miles costs $100. Ignoring the debris and waiting for a seizure costs $22,000. If you own this platform, your only defense is aggressive maintenance and forensic oil monitoring. The Toyota V6 twin-turbo era is a lesson in the dangers of modern downsizing. If you plan to keep this truck past the warranty, the factory manual is not your friend. Stay investigative, watch your oil pressure, and protect your financial future. Thank you for watching AutoSight-G.